Mastering the art of time, prepositions in everyday use. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we're delving into an essential topic in our grammar fundamentals, prepositions of time. These little words have a big job in helping us express when something happens. As we dive into this topic, we'll focus on applying these prepositions in real-life situations to make your English communication more effective and natural. Before we begin, let's quickly recap the main prepositions of time: at, on, in. Remember, at is used for specific times, on for specific days and dates, and in for months, years, and longer periods. Let's start with the preposition at. Remember, we use at for specific times. For instance, I'll meet you at 5 p.m. The meeting starts at 10 a.m. When you plan your day, think of how often you use at to organize your schedule. Next up is the preposition on. We use this one for specific days and dates. Here are some examples. We're going for a picnic on Sunday. Her birthday is on the 12th of June. Try using on when arranging future events or recalling past ones. This will help you become more comfortable with its usage. Finally, we have the preposition in. This is used for longer periods like months, years, seasons, and parts of the day. For instance, I visited Paris in 2022. He usually goes swimming in the morning. She'll start college in September. As you talk about past experiences or future plans, make sure to use in where it's appropriate. The best way to master prepositions of time is by practicing in real conversations. Use these words when you're discussing your plans, routines, and experiences. To make this even more practical, try describing your typical day to a friend or writing it down in English. Remember to focus on using the right prepositions of time. And that wraps up our session on using prepositions of time in everyday situations. We hope this video has helped you understand how to apply at, on, and in effectively in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and remember, the more you use these prepositions correctly, the more naturally they will come to you. See you in our next video.